Are you looking for the best gaming desktops? In this video we will look at some of the best gaming desktops on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. iBUYPOWER Pro Gaming Desktop Computer. This professional gaming desktop is a favorite among crowds of avid gamers. iBUYPOWER 208i series desktop operates an Intel system with a secure Windows 10 Home model for the latest performance features. With its brand new mirror model, iBUYPOWER displays a luxurious and modern tempered glass and mirror finish that reflects the surrounding areas to add an element of dazzle to your gaming setup. This also lays the groundwork for a set of translucent panels that impressively reflect the internal components for an enhanced aesthetic appeal. Apart from stunning aesthetics, the PC holds an ample 16GB RAM besides accommodating a VR and Wi-Fi ready design for enhanced efficiency and user-friendliness. Number 2. HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. The HP Pavilion desktop adopts a compact tower design that allows you to upgrade the system with LEDs and internal themes. Other than being highly customizable, this gaming PC is also one of the most affordable and budget-friendly options on the market with a humble price tag of just under $800. Which is a considerable bargain compared to the usual $1,000 and above desktops usually available on the market. Additionally, this computer provides an impressive 4K display with clear-cut graphics to turn your immersive gaming experience up a notch. HP Pavilion's hard drive offers an ample amount of storage space, around 256GB, which is more than enough to run a few PC games. Other than that, this gaming PC also includes numerous serviceable features such as a built-in thermal layer to optimize noise reduction while keeping the tower cool throughout. Number 3. Skytech Shadow 3.0 Gaming PC. Skytech's gaming desktop offers stunning visuals with a gorgeous LED light system for a stunning gaming setup. With this desktop, you can experience some of the best picture quality in the gaming tech world, making this PC a great fit for graphic designers and gamers that need to process graphics-intensive content. Skytech's gaming desktop encompasses a finely built RGB lighting system that can instantly enhance your gaming experience. There are absolutely zero lags with the powerful 6-core Ryzen processor and 6GB GDDR6 video card, while the 1TB SSD allows you to install plenty of games on the system for easy access. Number 4. Omen 30 liters Gaming Desktop PC. Omen's futuristic design encompasses a 10th generation Core i9 processor that boosts the performance of any task you may perform on your PC, including content creation, streaming, and gaming. The Omen 30 liters PC includes a sizable forefront fan along with a set of elevating bottom feet to raise the unit and ensure proper heat dissipation. This desktop has an impressive 10GB high-resolution NVIDIA GeForce graphics card with 32GB RAM that is expandable up to 64GB, allowing you to run even the most graphics-intensive games out there. Number 5. ROG Strix GA15 Gaming Desktop. The ROG Strix Gaming Desktop comes with a pre-installed Windows 10 Home and offers a complete upgrade to Windows 11, totally free of cost. This gaming PC is specifically designed to support high-intensity and immersive gameplay that requires substantial processing power, with an 8GB GDDR6 graphics card and a fast 4.7 GHz processor. The Arena-ready GA15 design performs superior ventilation with its high-grade cooling system, while the additional handy accessories like the built-in headphone hook provide enhanced comfort while gaming. This PC also features an Aura Sync RGB lighting option that lets users effortlessly customize the appearance of the PC with the colors of their choice, which becomes very apparent thanks to the transparent side panel.